In the last session, we were discussed about home options in the MS Word, but in this today's session, we will discuss about the insert options in the MS Word. So we have plenty of options under insert. So we'll see one after another. In the very first option in the insert, we have the cover page option. So if you create any of the document or if you create any of the book related or any project related report, you must and should have some cover page to show the information about that. So for that we have a different kinds of templates, and we can see some Austin, Banded and Facet. We have different kinds of uh, templates is available. You can choose whatever you want, whatever you like. And also if you have something from the MS Office, and you can directly get it from the uh, site. So you can go to more cover pages from the office.com, and you can see, you can search for that. So we'll see one of the template from here. So there is here one template. So here we have a document title. Document title, I'm giving that MS Office, and if you have any subtitle you can choose and you can enter, or if you don't have any subtitles, just select and delete it. And also under this page we have other option and date, and which date you are creating. It is 23rd May 2021, and the company name I'm entering Prishan Solutions. And below also we have company address. We don't want it, and I'm deleting it there. So I'm going back. So there is a blank page option. So already we have two pages here in this MS document, and when I hit this blank page, another one page is created. That is the third page. You can able to see when you hit this blank page, it will create another empty page here. See, it is already created. We have total 4 pages under this one. There is a page break, and if you have the content on this document, and if you want to add or if you want to move that content from one page to another page, or if you have the content up to here and you want to give a page break, and you can use a page break, and then the remaining content will go to the another page, so that we can able to see if we have the content. Now we'll discuss how we can insert the tables and what are the ways we have inside MS Word. Now I am on the fourth page. I'm coming back to third page, and here I have an insert option. When I select this table, and I have an option to select the columns and rows directly, when I hover my mouse, and it is calculating here. When I select one, it is 1 into 1. When I select 2, 3 columns, and it shows the columns first and then rows later. And if I select 5 columns and 4 rows, just click on it and it will insert the table. Where is your mouse cursor? Now I have this almost 5 columns and 4 rows. For example, I want to insert a 30 rows and 20 columns. That is not available from here. It is maximum capable of inserting 10 columns and 8 rows. For example, if I want more, and I can choose from here. Here I can insert 30 columns and 25 rows, or 45, 50 rows. I can able to enter here, click OK. Then it will create the table with that count. So we have total 50 rows and 30 columns is available. So this way you can insert a table. And also we have other options, we'll see. So if you want to delete this one, simply just select complete table and use the delete symbol. If it is not deleting, and we have an option to delete table, when you select the table and right click on it and go back to insert, and inside the table also we have other options. We have the draw table option, and select that one and you can draw your table. So once you draw your table, and you can insert the columns and rows inside that as well, or you can use a split option. You can use split cells, and this one also shows number of columns, number of rows. You can able to increase this, and you can able to increase this as well. Click OK, and it will create that many columns and that many rows. And also we have other options here inside the table, and you can directly take from the Excel spreadsheet. And we have the quick tables option. In the quick tables option, we have a multiple options. You can insert a different kinds of calendars as well, and I have a calendar number 4. We have a double table option. We have matrix type of option. If you click this one, yes, you can able to see this May calendar here. See, this looks good, right? And also we have a different tables option. You can utilize that, depends upon your requirement. You can choose which type of table you want, and you can go with the quick tables and you can choose that. Now, for example, if you want this type of matrix type of table, yes, you can choose this one. But this table, Control Z and come back here. I just want to give some space between these two tables, then we can see better. Okay, so it's not coming. So what we can do, this is not required, we are not going to utilize this table anymore. So to delete that, select and then use delete table. Okay, now this is somewhat better. So now this table doesn't have any borders. So to insert a borders, if you right click on the table, if you select the table and then right click, and you can able to see this option to add the borders. So you will have all borders here, or otherwise go back. In the home also we have an option to select the borders. You can have all borders from here. So this way you can create a tables, and you can utilize, you can add the colors. And if you have a requirement of showing something as a tabular format, you can able to insert the tables from here. I'm going back to insert menu, and we have a pictures option also. If you want to insert the picture, click on it, it will open a browse window, and from here you can choose the pictures. I'm going to downloads. There is a wallpaper image I have. We can able to insert that on the MS Word. Once you select, and there is an option to increase or decrease the picture size as well. If you need a smaller picture, you can make it as a smaller. If you need a bigger picture, you can make it as a bigger one. And also we have an option to get the pictures from online. You can click and you can get from OneDrive or from Bing or from Google, whatever, you can do that. And also we have a shapes option. If you want to create some kind of flow charts, or if you want to show a project design something in a graphical format, we have a different shapes is available to do that. We have rectangulars, we have walls, we have circles, we have triangle shapes, different kinds of shapes is available. So when you select that, and you will see a draw option here, and you can draw that. And when you draw it, if you want to enter some text, you can able to enter the text as well, also inside that shape, and you can increase the font size as well. Done. So now we have other options. We'll see other options also. We have arrows, and we have equation shapes, we have flow charts, and we have call out option also. And this is, so once you draw, you can move left and right, wherever you want, you can able to move that. So we'll see that, we'll design a flow chart in another session, and we'll see the advantages of this shapes. And also we have a great advantage with a smart art. So using this smart art, we have a different kinds of shapes also available. When you go to list, and you can see different kinds of list related arts is available. And when you go to the process, you can see the process related charts also available here. For example, if you want to add any of these kind of shapes, yes, you can able to add. What will add now, we'll see, is there any great one? Okay, we'll use this one. See, you can insert a different colors also for this smart art. So see, it is here, it is on the same page, so that's why it's overlapping on that images. So what I will do is, I will insert another page here. Go to insert, we have blank page option, and then you can insert your smart art here. Select this one. In the last one, we will go with this cycle, and so it looks better, or this one looks good. Okay, so in between this, you can able to enter the text as well. this is, I'm typing MS Word, and this is PPT, and I'm just entering this is Excel, Access, and Outlook. So, and also if you want to increase the size of this, yes, you can able to increase. And also if you want to change the colors, for example, so I'm right clicking on this one. So if you want to change the color, you can able to change the color, and I want to change the color of this, and you can able to change this color. Just select on that and just right click on it, and then choose your color, and it will change, and change this color as well. Okay, we'll go with some kind of green. Okay, now we have a different types of colors, and also we have choose color option also available, and you can choose from the auto box, or you can individually select the colors as well, whatever you like, and you can do that. So this way you can easily try some kind of smart arts. It looks great when you're showing your document to some other, and it gives a better presentation to you as well. So come back to here. So this is not required. If I don't want to show here, so that's why I'm deleting this, and also I'm deleting this. I don't want this too. And also we have screenshot option and chart option. When you go to charts, and we have a different kinds of charts is available, and I can choose this one, click OK. But when we have a type of charts, and it must and should have some kind of data to show, so for that, okay, for that, it also showing some kind of Excel sheets here, first quarter, second quarter, and third quarter, and fourth quarter data. Now see the first quarter having a huge data, so that's why it's showing a more blue color. If you want to change this data, yes, you can able to change. It is 6. Now in the second quarter I am trying to change it to some 5. See the data will change here. So when you insert any of the chart, it automatically show up as chart Excel sheet as well, to change to represent the data, and to show your presentation. And the data also you can able to enter here, and you don't need to configure, you just need to configure the column names and the data related stuff, and that automatically displays here. This is also great advantage in the MS Word. You can easily configure the charts, and you can present to the end users. Okay, we'll go back. What are the options we have? So this is about the screenshots. If you have any screenshots, and then you can capture, and if you want to insert those kind of screenshots also here, yes, you can insert. This is Microsoft Stores, and this is add-ons. So we have a add-on here, Wikipedia. For example, I want to insert some data from Wikipedia to my MS Word document. We'll go up if we have any free space on this. I think we have some. Okay, in this page, yes, otherwise we can insert another page, and we can go into the bottom as well. So I'm going to insert, and we'll insert some blank page in the bottom. Okay, so here we have the Wikipedia option. So if you want to refer some data, or if you want to insert some data into your MS Word, and you can get that data from the Wikipedia as well. I'm trying to get for office related stuff, and I type MS Office. Now it's loading from Wikipedia, and it's giving some information about MS Office. So to insert that type of content into your MS Word, then just select the data and click this plus symbol. It will insert all this stuff into your document. See, it's not inserted, so you need to select properly. Just hit plus. We'll wait. What happened? It is inserting somewhere. Yes, so this data is inserting here because there is no sufficient space, so that's why it is inserting here. And also it's giving some source information as well. If you don't like this, you can delete that as well. And also we have this information. When I go to images, we have couple of images also related to MS Office. You can choose that image, you can hit the plus symbol, that image also will insert here. So this way you can search for the data and you can insert that information here. So this will give you an advantage. Instead of going back to browser and searching for an data and copying that back into your MS Word, it will take some more time. So instead of that, you can directly search from your Word and you can insert directly. So we have online videos option also. You can insert the videos in your document and that will render and that will play on your document itself. And we have an hyperlink option. For example, when you hit this hyperlink, it will open. It will open a window to insert. So I'm typing office to display as a text. I am typing https office.com. Click OK. Now you can able to see there is a hyperlink which insert here on your document. And also we have other plenty of options. We have bookmark option, we have a cross reference option to have some cross hyperlinks for the reference. So we have plenty of options as well. We have comments, headers, footers, page number, text box, quick parts. Plenty of inserting options is available that we'll see in the next session. Thanks for watching my video.